Module 6, Tools and Software for AI Research. Why 1 Programming Languages for AI. Python. Overview. Python is the most widely used programming language in AI research due to its simplicity, versatility, and extensive ecosystem of libraries and frameworks. Key features: Python offers a clean syntax, strong support for object-oriented programming, and a large standard library. It also has excellent readability and is easy to learn for beginners. Popular AI libraries. Python has a rich set of AI and machine learning libraries such as NumPy, numerical computing, Pandas, data manipulation, and SciPy, scientific computing. R. Overview. R is a programming language and environment specifically designed for statistical computing and graphics. It is widely used in data analysis, statistical modeling, and data visualization. Key features. R provides a wide range of statistical and graphical techniques, including linear and nonlinear modeling, time series analysis, clustering, and more. It also has a large collection of user-contributed packages. AI and machine learning capabilities. R has several libraries for machine learning and AI, such as Carrot, classification and regression training, GLEMnet, generalized linear models, and random forest algorithms. Other languages. Java. Java is a general-purpose programming language known for its portability and robustness. It has libraries like Weka and Apache Malib for machine learning and AI development. C++. C++ is a high-performance language often used in resource-intensive AI applications, such as robotics and computer vision. Libraries like OpenCV and lib are popular for AI development in C++. MATLAB. MATLAB is a proprietary programming language and numerical computing environment widely used in academic and research settings. It offers a wide range of toolboxes for AI, signal processing, and data analysis. 6.2 Libraries and frameworks for AI. TensorFlow. Overview. TensorFlow is an open-source library developed by Google for building and deploying machine learning models. It provides a flexible ecosystem for creating and deploying AI applications. Key features. TensorFlow offers a comprehensive set of tools, libraries, and community resources. It supports a wide range of deep learning architectures and provides high-level APIs like Keras for rapid prototyping. Applications. TensorFlow is used in various AI domains, including computer vision, natural language processing, and reinforcement learning. PyTorch. Overview. PyTorch is an open-source machine learning library developed by Facebook. It emphasizes flexibility and allows for dynamic computation graphs, making it popular for research and experimentation. Key features. PyTorch provides a simple and intuitive interface for building and training neural networks. It supports both eager execution and graph-based computation, enabling easy debugging and rapid iteration. Applications. PyTorch is widely used in deep learning research, particularly in areas like computer vision, natural language processing, and generative models. Scikit-learn. Overview. Scikit-learn is a popular Python library for machine learning, built on top of NumPy, SciPy, and Matplotlib. It provides a consistent interface for a wide range of supervised and unsupervised learning algorithms. Key features. Scikit-learn offers a comprehensive set of tools for data pre-processing, feature selection, model evaluation, and model interpretation. It emphasizes simplicity and ease of use. Applications. Scikit-learn is extensively used for tasks such as classification, regression, clustering, dimensionality reduction, and model selection. Other notable libraries and frameworks. Keras, a high-level neural networks API that can run on top of TensorFlow, Theano, or CNTK. Apache Spark. InLib, a distributed machine learning library built on top of Apache Spark, designed for scalability and big data processing. XGBoost, a highly optimized gradient boosting library known for its speed and performance in machine learning competitions. Hugging Face Transformers, a library providing state-of-the-art pre-trained models for natural language processing tasks. 6.3 Data visualization tools. Matplotlib. Overview. Matplotlib is a fundamental plotting library in Python, providing a MATLAB-like interface for creating a wide range of static, animated, and interactive visualizations. Key features. Matplotlib allows fine-grained control over every aspect of a figure, including labels, ticks, colors, and styles. It supports various plot types, such as line plots, scatter plots, bar plots, histograms, and heat maps. Integration with AI libraries. Matplotlib is often used in conjunction with AI and machine learning libraries to visualize data, model performance, and results. Seaborn. Overview. Seaborn is a statistical data visualization library built on top of Matplotlib. It provides a high-level interface for creating informative and attractive statistical graphics. Key features. Seaborn offers a variety of plot types tailored for statistical analysis, such as regression plots, categorical plots, and distribution plots. It also provides built-in themes and color palettes for enhancing the aesthetics of the visualizations. Applications. Seaborn is commonly used for exploratory data analysis, visualizing statistical relationships, and presenting the results of machine learning models. Tableau. Overview. Tableau is a powerful and user-friendly data visualization and business intelligence tool. It allows users to create interactive dashboards and visualizations without extensive programming knowledge. Key features. Tableau provides a drag-and-drop interface for creating visualizations, enabling users to quickly explore and analyze data. It supports a wide range of data sources and offers features like real-time data updates and collaborative sharing. Applications. Tableau is widely used in business settings for data exploration, reporting, and creating interactive dashboards for decision-making. Other notable data visualization tools. Plotly, a web-based plotting library that allows creating interactive and publication-quality graphs. D3JAs, a JavaScript library for creating dynamic and interactive data visualizations in web browsers. ggplot2, a powerful plotting system for R based on the grammar of graphics. Bokeh, a Python library for creating interactive visualizations in modern web browsers. This module provides an overview of the essential tools and software commonly used in AI research, covering programming languages, libraries and frameworks, and data visualization tools. Familiarity with these tools is crucial for effective implementation, experimentation, and communication of AI research. Python and R are the most popular programming languages in the AI community, offering a wide range of libraries and frameworks for machine learning and deep learning. TensorFlow, PyTorch, and scikit-learn are among the most widely used libraries, providing powerful functionalities for building and deploying AI models. Data visualization tools like Matplotlib, Seaborn, and Tableau enable researchers to explore, analyze, and present data and results effectively. By leveraging these tools and software, AI researchers can streamline their workflows, accelerate experimentation, and enhance the impact of their research.